Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video. And as promised, today is the day that we are going to do a drop test on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I should mention that off camera, we've already done it. We've already actually made videos about it. We have the B-rolls, which I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. And I have to say that the results are actually more surprising than I thought, because this is the phone that has been drop tested already and I cannot see a single scratch on it. So I really don't know what everyone is talking about, what the hype is. And this is not only just one or two resources or reports about the iPhone 15 Pro Max being more fragile than usual. This actually started with Jerry Rig Everything, who actually was testing the phone, and just with a little bit of pressure, the back broke completely. We also did a bend test. We put as much force as we could on it, and this did not break. And that was after this phone fell down like 6 or 7 times from waist height, from normal usage height, and even from head height. So we kind of tested every single height. And I'm amazed to see that apart from this, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a very, very small indent. It's not even an indent, it's just a slight discoloration. I can't even tell that that's a little bit of a if you feel it, you can tell, but you can't really just tell by looking at it. The phone otherwise has really no scratches whatsoever. So the titanium sides really did hold up, and regardless of what people are saying, actually I was the one that said that there's really not a lot of titanium used in it, because after Jerry's video, we concluded that there was only about $30 worth of titanium used on this, which seems pretty low, but it looks like it's actually holding up. And the back glass as well is pretty much holding up. There's really no defect at all whatsoever in this phone. And I was kind of surprised. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I expected this to break on the first fall. But no, there is, however, one scratch on the screen, if you guys can tell. So that's, I mean, obviously, when you're gonna throw the phone 5-6 times, something is gonna happen. But nevertheless, it surprised us all, because we've been hearing rumors, we've been watching videos of the iPhones breaking on the first or second drop. Nothing of the sort happened, and we threw this. We drop tested this like maybe 6-7 times. And nothing really happened. So I'm surprised, and I'm actually happy, because things weren't looking good based on what we were seeing for Apple. And I have a theory. Now, I don't know if this is a production issue, if this is based on where iPhones are being made, but iPhones are being made in 2 major places right now. One is in China and one is in India. This one, specifically the one that we bought, was brought from Dubai, and the ones that are sold in Dubai from the Apple Store come in from China. They're mostly made in China. So maybe this is just stronger. Maybe there's a little bit of a production issue. And the ones that are being made in other places of the world geographically, and most of the news that we saw about iPhones breaking are usually in the US and those regions. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm actually happy that the iPhone held up to its expectations, and we were all ready to crap about it and bitch about it and just make fun of Apple like we do every single year. After hyping it up so much and talking about it all year, at the end of the day, we're just trying to look something to a negative point that we can actually talk about. But nevertheless, the phone held up pretty good, as you can see in these B-rolls. I should actually mention that this clip is showing an indent on the floor. So the actual floor where this hit had an indent, a visible indent, and the phone didn't have any indent whatsoever. So it actually damaged the floor, but it didn't damage the phone in any way or form. And I'm actually happy, because I thought that this was going to go to waste, but this is a perfectly good phone right now at the moment that anyone can use. So yeah, guys, just a quick little video. Wanted to tell you guys about this. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips that we did for the testing. But again, my theory is that this is a production issue. Depending on where you are located, there's a possibility that phones made in a certain part of the world are maybe a little bit better than other regions. It shouldn't be, because usually every single raw material that's used on the iPhones is all coming from one place. It's sourced from the same place. But nevertheless, guys, that's my conclusion on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It doesn't look like there's any issues whatsoever, specifically in this region. But let me know your thoughts. Just still let me know what you guys think. And I think we'll just have to wait and see what other people report. And there may be more drop test in the future, and we may see a little bit of a difference there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.